like to thank you for Mr. DevEd for this amazing video that helped us to make our final project. So let's go to the explanation of the maze project.
Hi, good morning. My name is Gabriella Putri Junita Pasaribu from Group 2 Game Project. Group 2 has 6 members: Bariq Maulana, Prajna Wijaya, Kevin Beluban Tobing, Abdulloh Al Hasan Musthafa, Muhammad Zidan Aulia, Gabriella Putri Junita Pasaribu. We have 2 references of our game project. Now I want to explain about the brief history of Scary Maze game. Scary Maze game is the title of jump scare prank game. The game has reached mimetic status and videos based on player reactions to it have become popular. Game developer Jeremy Wintrower is credited with creating the original Scary Maze game, which his website calls the Maze in 2003. The Flash-based computer game requires a player to navigate a multi-level maze without touching any of its walls, demanding intense concentration. Once the player completes level 3, a picture of Regan McNeil or Linda Blair, the possessed girl from the Orchid, suddenly and terrifyingly pops on their screen, accompanied by a loud scream. The Scary Maze game is part of a genre of scare pranks called screamers or jump scares, tracking back to the 90s and 90s. These Scary Maze games are designed to look like still images, innocuous videos or browser games. Once they're click, play, or otherwise activated, a loud noise, usually a scream, sometimes accompanied by a scary image, is released to startle the viewer. How to play? It's very simple. Simply just move the cursor to the pad and don't try to touch the border or sides. User needs to move the cursor to the finish line in order to unlock the next level. If the cursor touches the border or sides, user needs to try again from the start. The maze will get more difficult as the level increases. For the method used, we use 3 methods: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. What we change? Our modification. We add more level by appending more SVG. Each person creates 3 SVGs until level 17. We define each level with different classes. For last level, we specify class name with endgame to pop up spooky picture with scream sound if you finish the game. Features. We add some sound effect like applause, scream sound, spooky picture, and the others. If user touch the border, the JavaScript will alert you hit the border with brew sound. The level will automatically change if user reach the finish line by adding 1 to level. Then applause sound will be played, the UI level will change and UI message will pop up new quotes. Quotes will be generated randomly every time the level changes. For more explanation, you can see in YouTube link. I think it's enough for me. Thank you and stay woke.
Hello everyone. My name is Aulia from IT Class 4. Here, I will explain the HTML code to create a message. Before we move on the HTML code, let's first look at the Figma. Maybe this is an example of a message that I've created. Here you can copy and paste it by right-clicking on the message, and then you can select copy as a SVG. If it's already, the code display will be like this, will be similar like this. The code will be similar like this until here. Yeah. Next, here we use the div class definition. The div class description function is to combine two classes below, namely the UI level and UI message. For UI level, function is to display level in game part, and UI message function is to display message in game as well. Next, we go to the div class game. In the div class game, we use SVG and class level. So in each this in each of these levels, the class will be different to indicate the level. This is class level 1, and next we have class level 2, and so on. Next, in this section, we use the mesh border. We use mesh border. This class function to indicate the border color code, and this is a color code of border. Next, below, here we have a finish class finish, to indicate from this color code. The next level have the same class at this level 1, and at level 17 there will be one class that is different from the other classes.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriella Tobing. I am from Technology Information Class 4 and I am from Group 2 Web Programming.
Okay, this final level is the same as other levels, namely the width, height, view box, and fill. We can get it all from the prototype in the Figma application that we designed, but this last level is the closing level or the hardness level of the other levels. The class used by the endgame, which will be explained in JavaScript by our other leader. And then we also add a final image to beauty or make our game more fun. And not only that, we also add the audio where the audio will sound. Also, we violate the rules of the game and if we winner the game.
Okay, my name is Abdulloh Al Hasan Musthafa. So next, let's style everything, make it look nice with style CSS. Here for the description part, just add a little hack to make it look a bit nicer. So we add 20 ph and add flex direction column and then at justify content, the first like will position it vertical in the middle end. Then like item, it will make it horizontal. That's cool. Uh, get the game. Here just add min HTPH, make full screen, right view click and select item center and justify center. And the next UI level, here the font size is 4 and the padding top 2 Uh, next UI message for the font size is a little bigger than is 2 This is a mini iPhone and this spooky picture and position fix top 0 with 100 height 100 objective cover and display none. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Bariq Maulana and I will explain about the JavaScript code.
Hello guys, my name is Wijaya and I will become the Bariq partner explaining the JavaScript. So let us share screen now.
First, for every SVG maze that we have been made, we add the cons, we make the cons for each class of every SVG. So as you can see here, we make cons level 1 and we select the query of all the class of level 1. And it goes the same until level 17. And also we declare the cons of UI message just the same like SVG mage. So we can change it. So we can change it later. And also we add additional features. And it's the same code we made for every additional features.
So to check the position of the cursor and what will happen based on the value, we use the window at event listener mouse move. So we detect the cursor move or the mouse move by declaring the check variable and it target class list value. So we use the function of collision check and the variable of check here. So go on here. In the collision check, the value is maze border. If the value is the maze border, the audio brew will play, and the Windows will alert that you hit the border. And if the value is finished, the applause audio will be played, and the level will escalate it by 1. And it will be checked in the level check, which I will describe later. So if the value is endgame, the scream sound will play and the spooky picture will appear in the windows. So go on to the level check. We declare the first level is level 1 because this is the multi-level game. So in the cons level check function, we use the if, else and else if. So in the if the user reach the finish line, the level 1 will the level 1 display will be none and the level 2 will become blocked. So the level 1 will disappear and the level 2 will appear in the windows. of the users, and the UI level and UI messages will be changed to the newest one according to the level. So it will always use the same one over and over again we until we reach the final level. And this is all for the JavaScript. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the end of the game. Thank you.